Was organized. So, what are the major decisions that has been taken?
That we are committed to our people, that we need our people to not take things so easily. We may be in the government, but that does not mean that the 2 or 3 people being in the government does not change anything unless 14 lakh Tiprasas do not get their justice, their rights, and the economic conditions and the constitutional rights are not restored.
So, you have said that some Tiprasa youth are going to Delhi for in Jantar Mantar.
We will go, and we'll go peacefully, and we will put forward a demand. That will happen later. But first, we are going to do a plenary session in August, and then after that, we will decide the time and date.
Maharaj,
It is not against anybody. It is for pressing of our demands. And our demands are democratic, peaceful, and for the upliftment of the indigenous people.
Maharaj, tripartite agreement was signed earlier, and some time has passed. So, is
There
there
was
any?
an election code of conduct. We have sent to 3 names to Delhi, and I think shortly they will call us to initiate the talks. But there are elements who are trying to derail these talks, and this is not from the center, but there are certain elements who are trying their best to derail the talks, and that is something that the government of India should take note of.
My last question, Maharaj, you have expressed concern about the rising influx of Bangladeshis and Rohingyas in Tripura. What would be your suggestion to the government regarding this?
Seal the border and ensure that if you want to protect Northeast, then you have to protect Tripura, Assam, and Meghalaya, because this is the inroad towards the uh, entire influx. And I don't see the concern of the government of India, because state governments are looking at the vote banks, and the people who are suffering the most are the genuine Indians, whether they are from the tribal community, whether they are from the Bengali community or the Manipuri community. And when people just come in unabated, then it's a cause of security as well. We all know that there is a lot of instability in our neighboring countries. And when you allow people to walk in unverified and they mix into the population, you are creating a security problem. And this will have a long-term impact in our demography and also in the security apparatus of the region and India and large.
So, you are seeing this as a national security threat.
Absolutely. We are so concerned about what is happening in Pakistan that we are ignoring Northeast completely. There is a huge rise in the population in Tripura in the last 10 to 15 years. Is the government doing anything? And what is happening is there is vote bank politics being played. And it is just not the Rohingyas, there are people from other communities who are also coming in. And they are not being checked. And that is something that we have to address.